Alright guys, so today we have another unboxing video. This one is going to be an iPhone 2G, 8GB, and I purchased this for $105 plus shipping, which I thought was a pretty good deal considering the supposed condition this is supposed to be in, and figured I would share it with you guys. So this one is probably going to be my iPhone 2G that I end up keeping, unless one comes along an original box for a good deal, which I did own one of those about 2 years ago, but I had bought it for resale purposes. I bought it for about $150 and sold it for about $350, and nowadays anything with box for iPhone 2G is going close to $1,000. So to get one that's in good condition for $105, I figured was not too bad of a deal. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing portion here. I find that this was pretty funny that FedEx, the seller put a signature required on here, and I knew nobody was going to be here today, so I had selected it to be held at my place to pick up, and about 15 minutes later I get a notification that it was delivered and nobody was here. So this was on my doorstep when I got home today. So I don't know what was going on there. I had some complaints against FedEx not accepting door tags before, so maybe they have my address on, I don't know, something where they're just going to drop it from now on. But anyway, we just got some packing paper there. There's the phone in there, and that's it in the box. Gonna get rid of this. And yeah, I figured this would be a pretty safe purchase considering these are doing nothing but go up, which is pretty crazy. Like, you know, the iPad first gens and stuff like that, they're still not really going up in price. Maybe it's just because the market's still flooded with those things. These are kind of getting harder to come by, I guess. Have it in a plastic bag. And this is in pretty amazing condition. There's some minor scratches around the back and on the chrome. The screen is relatively scratch free. There's some dust and stuff, but let's try and get a close-up of that for you. Come on, camera. Well, let's go ahead and do a power on. See if we got anything on this here. And luckily, if there is any information or a passcode or anything, you can just wipe these and there's no iCloud or anything to worry about. And I never had one of these whenever I got into Apple. My first phone was the 3G. Of course, people were still using these at that time, but I never had one. So, let's see. Waiting for activation. Everything seems to be in good shape. I'm not seeing any dead pixels or screen problems. Let's see what operating system we're on. Okay, so we are unfortunately maxed out to 3.1.3, but that's okay. Let me check anything else on here. 8GB. It looks like it has been factory reset, so we have no information on here, But you can see the screen is in very good condition. It is still nice and bright with no issues. So I'm pretty happy about this purchase. This will be something I'll keep, like I said, unless another one comes along in box for good condition. Then I could probably still get anywhere between $200 and $300 out of this if I decided I didn't want it anymore. So that will be pretty much it on this video. There's not much more to talk about on this thing, but I'm super excited that I was able to grab one of these. So that will be pretty much it, guys. We will see you in the next video.